Alright, we're live.
Alright, these are two Weber HSP 31-ZSB242. We got two guns. You can see here, two guns. One's got a full set of hoses, the other one does not. They both seem to operate, and I will start with this
one. From a bankrupt
yeah, they came out of
company.
a tool company that closed. But here's, you see there's a couple of screws down in here. And then I think there's a couple in the feeder right now. But you turn it on, you move it around, drop it into there, and when you hit the trigger, it pushes these out like so, and then if you push down on it, you can see it moves it. That's kind of what it does. So. That's the one.
I don't think they heard a word you said, but okay.
That's the one unit.
You can see that it functions.
I'll flip this to this unit now. Up. And flip this unit on.
Screws in the magazine?
Not yet. A couple of screws down in the magazines like so.
Let's put some in here showing how it works.
Got a couple in there already.
Okay.
Okay, flip it on. The speed is adjustable on the feed too. You can see I can slow them down.
Your batteries are running.
Or I can go a little faster. But now when
you're running out of battery on this.
There you go. Same deal.
When you push down the screws.
When you push down on the screws. So like I said, they both operate. They both seem to operate as best we can tell. Very nice units. I believe they are for production systems, and good luck bidding.